So today I've landed in, where am I? Trossachs. Today, and it's lovely. What can I say? What a view. So let me see what I can get when I'm out here. There's a jetty, there's a boat, there's a boathouse, there's a reflection of a mountain. We'll just walk about and see what we can get. This is the first wee bit that I've just seen here. As you can see, beautiful, calm, and one of the vapour trails. This wee jetty there leading into the wee boathouse, and a wee abandoned boat here. This reflection of the mountain and the water. And I have forgot my DJI mic. I packed my strings. Let's have a look and see what I've got. I'm doing a panel obviously here. A few images over and underexposed. So I'll get on with this, see what else I can get while I'm here. Look at that shot there, and I've nowhere to stop. Oh, there's a stopping bit. Oh, maybe I just need to stop here. Yeah, right in there, right in the ditch. Why not? That's a shot. Terrible driving. Reverse slightly. Look at this. How nice and quiet is this? I got a nice wee panel there. Quick one because of traffic everywhere. Can't beat it. So I'm parked up really by side of the road. I'm going to walk along the road here and see if I can get some shots along the lake. And we'll see what happens. Forest Hills Hotel. There's a lovely wee waterfall just there as you go in. I might sneak in later and take a picture here. I've been here before when I was shooting a wedding. A bit of a drive for where I stay right enough, but it was nice. It was a nice wee jetty to get to, but obviously it's shut for the season. Anyway. So, first shot, I'll let it keep the sun's reflection in. I've got these reeds in the water there, leading up to the grass reeds that are growing out, leading to the background. I'll just set this up and I'll take the shot. It's a beautiful day. Beautiful morning. Everything's still. Calm before the storm, they say. There's my setup here at the side of the loch. Cameras on live view. I've photographed the reeds up to the longer reeds, up to the mountain in the background. And I'm going to walk back down again. We'll see what's doing there. So I think I'm done for this location. It's quite a good location right enough, but you could be here all day just getting reflections. But I'm going to go back to the van.